Welcome to another Hunters Connect episode. My name's Eric, and today we're going to discuss shoot or don't shoot in hunting scenarios. Hunting demands not only sharp skills and keen senses, but also a profound understanding of wildlife, the environment, and safety protocols. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions in the field. Just remember, responsible hunting isn't just a choice. It's our duty to preserve the wild for generations to come. To begin, let's talk through several best practices to consider when safely shooting. Number 1, positive identification. Always positively identify your target before shooting. Make sure that you are certain about what you are aiming at and that it's a legal game animal. For example, I'm located in southwestern Pennsylvania and currently hunting whitetail deer, and I know the buck I pursue must have 4 points on one antler due to our antler restrictions. Number 2, know your target and beyond. What's in front of and behind your target? What lies in the line of fire? For example, I'm in a heavily wooded area. I have studied a map and I know that there are houses behind me and that I am safe to shoot in this direction because of the backdrop. Number 3, proper shooting lanes. When hunting in a group, establish clear shooting lanes. Each hunter should have a specific area where they can safely take a shot without risking hitting another person. While deer hunting in PA, I always do my best to communicate with fellow hunters and establish shooting lanes before the season starts. While pheasant hunting and walking with other hunters in a field, we discuss and establish lanes prior to any hunt. Number 4, follow laws and regulations. Abide by all hunting laws and regulations, including hunting season, bag limits, firearm restrictions. These rules are in place to ensure ethical and safe hunting practices. Number 5, communication. If you are hunting with others, maintain good communication. Use hand signals or radios to convey important information about your location movements and other potential hazards. Number 6, adhere to ethical hunting practices. Respect the environment and the animals you are hunting. Make clean, humane kills and follow ethical practices such as fair chase and hunting for subsistence rather than for trophies. Number 7, wear high visibility clothing when required. When hunting in areas where other hunters might be present, wear blaze orange or other high visibility colors to make yourself visible and easily identifiable. That concludes our safe to shoot scenarios. Tune into part 2 of this video to hear from my good friend and avid hunter Angelo to talk us through when it's not safe to shoot while hunting.
Welcome to part 2 of this video series, where we will be discussing when it is unsafe to shoot while hunting. It is equally crucial to recognize the situations when restraint and caution are paramount. As responsible hunters, we must not only be proficient with our selected firearm or bow, but also thoughtful stewards of the environment and its inhabitants. To begin, let's talk through several topics to consider when it is unsafe to shoot. Number 1, uncertain target. If you are not entirely sure about your target, do not take the shot. Hastily or careless shooting can lead to accidents and injuries. Number 2, no backstop. Do not shoot if you don't have a clear and safe backstop. Shooting at a target with no backstop can result in bullets or arrows traveling too far, endangering others. Number 3, crossing paths in crowded areas. Avoid shooting if there is a chance that your bullets or arrows might cross paths with other hunters. Avoid shooting in crowded hunting areas. If an area is too crowded, move to a safer location where you have ample space and a clear line of sight. Number 4, low light conditions. Shooting in low light conditions, such as dawn or dusk, can be dangerous due to decreased visibility. Number 5, intoxication. Never hunt under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Impaired judgment significantly increases the risk of accidents. Number 6, overconfidence. Even experienced hunters can make mistakes. Overconfidence can lead to lapse in judgment, and always approach each hunting trip with a cautious mindset. Remember, every decision we make when hunting needs to be carefully considered. As responsible hunters, it is our duty to abide by game laws enacted by state agencies to protect game animals, hunters, and the general public. With adrenaline pumping, it can be tough to stay focused. That's why it's important to talk about this and practice thoughtful hunting practices every time. Thank you for joining us for this discussion. Let's carry out the lessons from this video into our hunts and ensure that the wild remains a sanctuary for all of us.